Hello everyone. I know I'm such a bad boy because I didn't even teach you the JavaScript properly. I'm just going to teach you guys how to show things in JavaScript with the button. Just the text in this video. If you want more videos about JavaScript, if you want to learn the JavaScript properly, you can just leave a comment. I will try to teach you guys. Then, the logic of the thing today is clicking the button we call script that has a function. The function will give a value, a text, to empty paragraph. Then it will make the illusion of appearing of a sudden. First, let's create our script. First we open and close the script tag. We create a function that has a name, my function, that you put brackets or parentheses, then you put curly brackets, you put document dot get element by ID. The paragraph will have the ID of the demo. We put dot inner HTML because it's an inner HTML script, it's not from an external document and JavaScript document. Then we put equals to hello world. We can put anything else in here. We can put any text. We put banana. It works also. Now, as I said, we put the p id demo. What is it? A paragraph. It's empty. Here you don't see anything. It's empty with the ID of demo. And finally, we create a button. That's onclick, that's function from JavaScript. We'll call the function my function, put the double quotes, call the function with the parentheses. Even if it's nothing inside here, you need the parentheses, the brackets. After that, you put the name of the button, put click me, click here, anything you want, and close the button. Here, everything is already working. You click it, and the text will appear. Of course, cannot misunderstand. That's not a class that will click and show hide. That's not jQuery or anything else. I can teach you guys. If you leave a comment below, I can teach you more things about showing, hiding, and stuff. Of course, click in this video around here. Don't forget any more videos because they are very good, right? So, hope you guys enjoyed and see you soon.